All right, so this is called Casemate. It's the phone crossbody. It attaches to any phone case. And we're going to give it a run and see what we think. You can get these on Amazon, by the way. And we'll include the link in the details. Check it out. All right, we just got this in the mail because my honey keeps losing her phone. And so we're going to try to hook this all up. Your phone called to say thank you. What's on the back of this? And it's got some other information on there if you need it. Right there you can download the app, you can follow them, you can do some other stuff. And yeah, that's it right there. So we just got to figure out how to put it all together. I think it comes with a case and everything. All right, so check it out. Let's pop it out of here. Oh, look, it's got some things on the side so you can't open it. You always want to make it hard to get in there, right? I don't know, maybe that's anti-theft or something, I'm not sure. But here it is. Okay, that's the box. Oh look, it comes with directions so that you can figure it out. And this is it right here. You gotta unhook the back. Okay, pop this off. And I think that somehow this goes on the phone and then this goes around you. Oh look, it's got this on here. I don't know what this is. Take that off. All right, here we are. Check it out. So this is your thing. You go like this, and then this is going to go on the phone. And it tells us how to do it. All right? So apparently, you put this through the bottom where the hole on the phone is. Where where you plug it in, that little hole there that you put your charger or whatever it is on it, and then you put your phone back into your regular case that you have, and bam, Bob's your uncle. You're ready to go. So yeah. So the way you do that is you're going to take it off of here like this first, and then you're going to slip it through, and then you rehook these back up, and that's how it works, just like that. All right, let's give it a shot. All right, we're going to get a new case for this, but we're going to use this one for right now. And I don't know if I have to pull it all the way out, but probably have to. There we go. All right, so what I've got to do is I'm going to take this, I'm going to slide it through that hole. I put it in here like that, and then this just goes through like that. You see that? That's it. And then you just push your phone back in, and basically your phone is kind of holding that in there, right? And then it just hangs like that. And then you hook these on, right? Check it out. Okay, got one. And let's do the other one. If I can get it through here. Boom, done. Ta-da! So apparently that's it. That's how it works. Now hopefully it doesn't pop your phone out of the case. But yeah. Check me out. I got my new phone case. I'm walking around with my phone case. Woo! All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this. We're getting a new case, by the way. This one's, we're not keeping it. Peace out.